Hey guys, what's going on? What is going on? Street Trading here with our weekly trade recap video, looking at a 15-minute chart of SPY. Let's get right into it. I mean, as you can see, obviously we're doing this on Friday. We're taking the session off and the weekend for that matter. So we're gonna be doing our business today. Then we're gonna go enjoy the weekend. It's been a solid week for us for our positions. Listen, guys, we've obviously our weekly was just on fire. Our daily trade ideas was on fire. We had some very strong breakouts to the upside, some strong fades to the downside. It's been a very good week. So we're going to enjoy some time, right? Some personal time, right? So we're going to put this out right now. Actually get this recorded. We'll probably put it on the weekend. But that being said, we want to talk about some just decent trades we had this week. Obviously some stops we took. We're going to talk about some of our positions, how we ended up scaling out, the thought process behind it, all the trade ideas we put out. Obviously we go through our game plan for the session, obviously our weekly trade watch list as well. We wanted to kind of walk you through a lot of the trades that we ended up taking, obviously the stops as well. But there was just some strong lessons to be learned for you guys for this past week, and things that you want to take into consideration, when you're building your own trade ideas, right? When you're building your own thesis, right? So, you got to look a little deeper. Even though we are active traders, we're not long-term investors by any means, but we still have a long-term horizon. We still have a long-term view, and you got to, look at the market in that way to line everything up, to have that much more confidence and conviction behind your trade ideas and your trade thesis and your positions once you're inside of them. So let's get into some details here. Obviously you can see what's going on with SPY. Is no surprise, what's happening, but we're going to go into a little more detail for our members here. So let's just get right down into it, man. It's just been a huge week, and prices continue to push higher. Clearly, nothing goes up forever until we have a nice, serious correction. Guys, enjoy the ride. I mean, listen, there's plenty of opportunity to the downside with the market pushing like this. Plenty. We've been crushing things to the downside. So don't get it twisted. This is just a benchmark. The Qs are just a benchmark, but there are plenty of isolated incidents for particular securities where it doesn't matter what the fuck the market's doing. The market's going complete parabolic. You can have something fall off a cliff, right? So keep that in mind. Don't get it twisted. The market has to be going in your direction for a trade to work. 'Cause that's complete bullshit. It just adds a little more wind behind your sail, right? If you are going to the downside and the market's selling off as well, just keep that in mind. Anyway, so let's get into details, guys. We're gonna get straight into it. We got plenty to talk about, so let's get right into business. All right, guys.